country like Ghana needs strong institutions. And strong institutions, of course, you're also talking about political parties.
87.9 Kumasi.
Lawyer, beyond November 4, Mejidi say NPP floating voters. Any nipa ewo pepa say NPP omakono enti omo pese abribia ambeko abatu so bia ometo ama party no ehwe se enkabom beba edi anamo na mutu we di enresi esi ene to nchen a edi anamo na mutu se nyame ya adomo a after November 4 party no be come
Akoma FM 87.9
menya medase anamo tu edi nkabom ba no ejina bibi so hu ene di nkabom ba enti se opeso tu anamo nkabom mo a you have to meet those preconditions ebini nokureka nokuredie se bibia ba ye pepere yo ne bibia dem fine eno ba it is very easy to get unity but won sheda emfa krono awi nkontompo aza uwi aka dem se brani enka mumma it will be very difficult and the futu am wo ma party no me say yen afam de yes e be kasa am obi who said this is what we want to be done yen fa ensan she botom sabe de wawuo na gentle oti asia me adisua hunu e kire me say obi a watimi asesa man bia no a why gentleman classical history and simple every person who has changed a nation is temperamental. He's outspoken. Who could choose leader na who so a dean gentle men to man no oba be say wo man no atete apansam e bin si baby a nobody can be described as a gentleman who can change the destiny of a nation. Abraham Lincoln and others go and study their background and it say who so be kasa e che say o su ene ban a ye retete man me say wo ya nwa anti mpanyifo di nachi nwa attracting mpanyifo nwa attracting mpanyifo we ya nwa na osiri ye amaniem kura so tena kunya so na osiri kura tabu eno attracting mpanyifo enti the American say wo pese asumdue ba NPP after this election no asi aye bibia pepepe say me my example
87.9
special delegate conference vote ni ekwe ye wie no obi am obi am fa ne ballot paper ankyere ya apam obi am na ankwhye dem a me sure say enke ye be wie no na bibia ye cool in fact anopa no ye candidate Cape Coast Central Region ye interview no about the election. He said everything was cool till it got to a point when he heard say yeah permanent crop for baby all disciplinary committee were the 6 people in the court, all of them with evidence of intimidation, assault and still thievery. And on the court
87.9
or the court what he wants them
Akoma FM 87
because he went there with evidence. It remove power and pay for boy do na almost him because near my CC ye no na krono wo mu na adwene boni wo mu and this person nya nkaboma we should seek free and fair look mameka say ba ko nkire wo so who send Alan esi from the crofo bi o mo bo say who here the reaction of people like Chema Untumi and his likes in the party when Alan stepped down I know that Chew say open unity you can't get it from those people because already they are driving some away and there's obviously from one call yeah pranachi service ya titi ufie na se uni mpanyin a panyin nya saa nipa ne kokra no so wo de nya apotre wo de beka anya yi a na okọ na da na resign no actually let us say pranachi now we are back as open unity from who at the end they plan here one say MP before hu ye mobo no do mani to from no to abanama ya e be kwa akofa Alan cash asamba MPP mu e de adwato abekwa akoma no tie nuabra na sese wonfie ko animu party no so wasum party na che ye mpese obegina bonten no aka say wo petumi entibra na nyina ye to adwe ne nya hihye na beka party no because Alan is a great general in the party. He has a support base. Alan Free Party or the votes in Echo. Already the indicators economically and governance wise, and yet good for the government. And we can't afford to lose a single soul. And if anybody is alive and he says I'm leaving, even ordinary person, we should be careful about it. Left alone a general. And the end the assist here we need abana and I'm on back apart from bringing those who are already here together, we'll stretch our arms for Alan to come back to the party for us to win power.
Now, Kenneth me win this way.
Kenneth me win here. Na se to abana fire or be support to be winning. No ne nako. Ye wiemu dia it will never happen.
Paul.
Minia.
Ohwe